Here's how to fix the Google Play Store not working. Now let's swipe up and tap on your settings at the bottom left. And then we'll scroll down until we get to the section for apps and tap on that. And then we'll scroll down until we find the Google Play Store. So there it is, tap on it. Now let's scroll down and we're going to tap on storage here. And we're going to clear the cache. And then we're going to clear the data and hit delete. Now after that, let's hop out of here and open up the Google Play Store again. It might ask you to set things up again, so I'm going to use my fingerprint here to just set it up because we've deleted all the data. And then you can just hit not now on that. The next thing that we will do is tap on the profile at the top right. And then we'll scroll down and tap on settings at the very bottom. From here, you can see About, open up About, and you'll be able to update the Google Play Store by tapping on the Update button here. If there is an update, just hit Got It, or basically go through the process of updating. The last thing you can do is go back into your settings here. We'll go back to the beginning, and then we'll scroll down to the bottom, and then just tap on Software Update, and download and install an update if there's one available.